What's up, y'all? It's your girl, ArynKayy. You already know what time it is. Let's go. Hey, yo, Darius. Darius.
Here she comes.
We're going out to eat. We're going out to eat in a place. Ah! Hello. Okay. Thank you. Hello. Yeah.
All day. Let's go get some grub.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir. Pop the molly gum. Where's all right.
Are you recording?
Yeah, it was. It wasn't a picture. What? It was snappy. Now I gotta hear
Winter
things
Storm
like
Chronicles.
Seriously. This is gonna be a fun video. There he is. Oh, I gotta hurry up and get my mask up. Whoa! I almost fell. Oh, yeah. Okay, guys, so we are in Raw. Okay, we're in Raw. And y'all know how the pandemic go down. Gotta use that QR code. What? Oh, the QR code.
I think it's February 10th.
There's Smuff again. Darius. Darius, what are you gonna get? Did you already look at me yet? Alright.
I already know them.
What you get?
It's this thing called Godzilla leg.
Okay.
Godzilla leg.
What is it? Okay. Alright.
Godzilla roll.
Leg.
Leg. I have no idea what he's talking about.
I want that.
Muff's ordering a drink. No, I have to look. Right now I'm just recording.
I'll take a dragon bite. Dragon bite?
Alright, Darius.
That's the same thing? How do you remember that?
Strawberry lemonade. Huh? Strawberry lemonade. Strawberry lemonade.
Okay, cousin, so what is it that you have here?
I have a, what is it? Lobster spring roll.
Okay. What sauce is that?
Actually, I don't know.
I think it's a
What?
mango sauce.
That's we're about to taste
Okay.
it. See what it tastes like.
What is it for? Show us the inside of it.
Definitely mango sauce.
Definitely mango. It paired nicely.
It's delicious.
Okay.
Delicious, yeah.
Okay.
I recommend it.
All right, y'all. Lobster spring roll. Step in at Raw. Y'all, so I tasted it and it's actually pretty darn good. Like the mango sauce is fire. The lobster inside is fire. It's like a cheesy kind of vibe.
They should have oyster peels.
Oyster peels.
Hey. Go back to the oyster peels.
Where's the dragon
Next.
I'll take the ultimate shrimp tempura roll.
Yeah.
You want a dragon bite?
I'll also take another.
It's happy hour.
I'll take another.
Okay. Alright, I'll get those in for you guys.
Thank you.
And I have wine. Y'all know how I get. Y'all know how I am. Here's getting black pepper wings. Cousin, what you ordering? Because Muff still don't know.
I have a question. That tempura stuff is crunchy, right? That's the crunchy stuff. Can you put that on something else if it's not already on it?
The stuff that's like the sushi is rolled in?
I guess
Or are you talking about?
All right, y'all. So I got the shrimp crab roll with my rice. My sister got
Lobster, shrimp, something. Lobster, crab. I don't remember.
She has that. Matthew, what did you get?
I have the ultimate shrimp tempura roll.
Sounds different. And Darius Alexander, what did you get?
Crab ragoon.
Yeah. Yep. That's exactly what he got.
Crab
Yep.
ragoon.
We're gonna let him be. So, alright guys, let's dig in. Okay, y'all. So now, my cousin in the car, he told us, he says 2 things that he's going to ask us. And if we knew the answers to, he was going to treat us to wherever we wanted to go eat at. So we have lovely ArynKayy here. You have Darius right here. You found that? Okay. You got Matt right there, and you got Marissa right here. Sorry, guys. I don't know. All right, so Matthew's gonna ask us some questions, and we about to get to it.
So, how immersed are you guys in the Bible, Christianity?
Hi, first.
Yeah.
I'm well known.
Okay, so when you think about the beginning of time, right? Where it all started.
Where it all started.
What was the name of Adam's first wife? Did you know Adam had a first wife? Oh shit! You didn't know that, right? How long you been immersed in Christianity? I've been immersed in Christianity since I was born.
Since I was 16.
Yeah, and I never knew that Adam had a wife before Eve. It was never. So they said in the beginning it was Adam and Eve. That is incorrect. You gotta dig deep because some stuff they don't want you to know.
So he did have a wife before her.
He had a wife before Eve.
What is Adam? What did he do his first
Come out. Understand there's a really back out for both for now.
Shout out to Chico. So, check this out. Adam's first wife, her name was Lilith. And when it came to be known that God and Adam wanted Lilith to be a subservient wife, you know what happened? This is not in the Bible. You got to do a little more research because the Bible has been transformed.
That they would learn in school
Yeah.
if you went to Christian.
Yeah. So when Lilith found that out, she didn't agree. She grew wings and flew away.
How do you grow it? But you gotta think about the Greek life too, how it's like multiple different animals in one and people die like this stuff. Yeah.
So Adam and Eve didn't start her. It was Adam and Lilith. But when Lilith, found out she was going to be a subservient wife, she grew wings and flew away. Only then did God take one of Adam's ribs and made Eve. You know why he took one of his ribs to make Eve? Because Eve was supposed to be a subservient wife. So what happened? Eve got she got what you call it, temptation by the serpent. Why was that? And in her mind, she had to be a subservient wife too. So anytime you talk,
people was subservient.
Subservient just means that you don't have your own ambition. You're just whatever he says goes no matter what.
So is that the same or exactly the same?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
I don't think it's the same.
Subservient and submission is two different things.
I think a lot of people don't understand. They're too submissive to be.
Then what's submission? Subservient is blindly following something no matter what the outcome is.
I don't think submissive is you gotta follow everything that they do. Like, or everything they say. I think it's like you're obedient to a certain extent, not
Exactly. Like the woman also contributes to the goal of the collective. Not just his goal, not just her goal, but the collective. You're one. So we're gonna do this together. We're gonna make it happen. But Lilith was his first wife. Didn't know that until a few days ago when I was doing a little bit of research after watching a TV show called Lucifer. It's crazy.
I definitely scroll past that all the time on Netflix. I scroll past that for years. I'm like, I don't know if I want to get into all that. I don't know, but is it good?
It's good. So, and then, since Lilith flew away, God made Eve from Adam, and then Lilith became Lucifer's wife after that. Yeah. So, in turn, and everything, you know what? That's I guess you can leave it up to anybody's opinion because in the Bible, they say everything is not literal, but we don't know what is metaphorical, what is literal. Like did he literally come back from the dead, or did they really live 844 years? 793 years.
I don't feel like you can take that how you want to take it. Maybe that's bad. I don't think everything is the right way to do that. Everybody has different stories. So whether I wrote this one, or this part, or this version is completely different. As if you wrote the same story with that, we were both there, but your version versus mine is going to be
it's gonna be like that's just like
so I don't think it's all completely too hard. I just take what I want to hear and
see what happens. You see that angle, you see the angle behind it, and you're gonna get a different story.
Right.
Yeah, I agree with that.
So, if you really dig deep on Christianity, you'll find out that it's some things that is surface that they want you to know, that wants to be generalized, but it's some stuff that
it's kind of pieced together.
It's there, but you gotta dig for it. I had no clue how to matter first one. Huh? No, I didn't. I asked my mom, nobody. I just found out it's about 2 days.
That's crazy. How do y'all feel about that?
It was. They said he made her from you. Took his real. Made her.
He's irritating. So clearly we know the answer, guys. But drop down your comments below what you feel, what you think. Like, did you even know that? Like, doesn't just put us up on game. Yeah, we didn't know that.
Dig a little deeper.
That's it.
Okay, y'all. Our time at Raw has come to end. Marissa has her coat and mask on. We are headed out of here. Guys, we love y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed our video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And tune in for more outings with the fam, as Matthew called it. It was a what? Family escapade. Peace. Outie. Dear, say bye. Say bye.
Okay, y'all. So that's a wrap, right? Like, that was it. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that as much as we all did, tuning in and just being ourselves on camera. We love just feeling the atmosphere with the stuff we know. Okay, so if y'all like that, y'all was tuning in, y'all was rocking out, y'all want to know and see more food places that I stop in, drop in on, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell. Don't forget to hit that bell, because that's the only way you're gonna know what's going on with ArynKayy and what I got popping off. See where I'm eating at next time. But you gotta tap in. So hit that bell, subscribe for me, and I'll catch you on my next video. I love y'all. Peace.